Hello, this is day 21 of me trading. So yesterday I didn't make a video because I couldn't have I didn't found an entry, for trades and everything. And on the my London session, I think I was writing an exam, so I couldn't trade there. It was right there, but market didn't move that much anyways. And on New York session, like there, I just couldn't find any entry, so I just didn't trade for that day because, when you can't find like an entry or something, then just don't trade. But today I had a beautiful short trade right here. So at first I saw, okay, a move down, you know, it was like here, right there, the candle. And then I thought, okay, yeah, move down. This looks like a valid order block right there. Because no long wicks and everything. It's just these two candles. And also, I don't know why I had this feeling, but it was just, this feeling. I know you shouldn't trade off emotions, but that this was like my key level. This was like the key level I was targeting. Could have also targeted this, but I don't know. I think it would have been too long. But this was like the key level, and in my head, I already saw how price went down, and then I waited for price to come back into that order block, and then I bought right there when it was like up the top, and until the order was executed, it was like down there at the arrow. But and then I set my stop loss like just above this order block and my take profit down here, just slightly above this line here, above this low, because yeah, it was just yeah, a perfect key level for this trade for risk to reward ratio of 2.13. So that's kind of a good risk to reward ratio, because if I would have taken that key level down here, it would have been a bit big. So I think that was like the perfect risk to reward ratio right there. Um, and then price dipped like right there, and don't know why it didn't automatically sold, because it was like below my take profit. But then price went up again a bit and then went down again, and yeah, went down by quite a bit. So that I think that's also a good key level, because right there's like a fair value gap. Yes, right there. Um, I don't know, yeah, but price went down back into it again, but I think here it's like more clear and everything. And yeah, I think it was just good. And then I also looked for a trade in New York session, but without like this, I just saw I just saw like that, and the market, oh no, um, that's not what I wanted. The market like just moved sideways right there. There weren't any real confluences and everything. And then like uh, Forex market opens at 2, I think at 2 p.m. And you can see immediately after it opened a bit, then it came down and then went up again. So I don't know if this could have been predictable or not. I think it was just like sweeping out these previous session lows or previous day lows right there, and every low of the day it was just sweeping that out and then went up again. So yeah, but there weren't really any confluences. Yeah, and let's see how market will react off of that and how market will move. I will continue to analyze the market and everything And oh, that's not what I wanted to. I think I marked out this high a bit some time ago. Yeah, and that's quite it. I think. Yeah, yeah, okay. The chart doesn't reach back right there. But if we go on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, I don't know if this even counts, but there's like still this fair value gap up here on the 4 hour time frame. So maybe it will get filled. I don't know. We will see. Future. We'll see. Yeah, right there. So yeah, only the future can tell what happens. But as you can see, like when you go on the 4 hour time frame, you can see, okay, here price dipped into that fair value gap before it went up again. So fair value gap on a higher time frame. I can also go like on the 1 hour time, not 2 hour, on the 1 hour time frame. And yeah, we can see clearly it dipped back in here and then went up again. Yeah, I think also that trade was kind of a bit like a smaller trade. Like, yeah, it happened really fast, like from 8:30 to 9:25. Yeah, it was like 1 hour. So yeah, it's like very small, but a win is a win. I will take that. I'm glad it went like I wanted to and everything. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow I will catch another good trade like this. If I don't, that's also very good because you can only learn from mistakes. But sometimes it's just nice to win, to see it work, what you do and everything. So if you don't just lose like 20 days in a row, but sometimes make small wins, this is yeah, kind of is what keeps you going and everything. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. I don't think I have anything more to say. If anything I said is wrong, please correct me in the comments or something if you know something better than me or anything. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.